Hey folks, welcome back to Bell CB. We have a tune-up report today on the Stryker SR-955HPC. This is for Cam in Wisconsin. Alright, let's see. We're on AM. Bring the power all the way down. We'll start there. Put this on 10 watt scale. Never see 10 watts all the way on the top scale there. All the way down is 1. Now I'm going to go to the next scale up, and we'll see 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. And I'll turn that. Let me turn this radio down. Okay. And then we'll turn that all the way up. And now you see we got about 19 there. Okay, now peak power 100 watt slug. Reading across the bottom, you see the 100? Bottom scale. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. About 90, audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2. But now we can hear it. Audio. Open that up louder. Let's turn the mic in down. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Alright. Here we get the volume up. Now we get sideband. Let's throw it back down again. Sideband power. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. And bring over to quick FM for my European customers. We get 40 all the way up. Set 0 all the way down. Alright. There's all the power levels. How about a channel 19? Can I get a radio check, breaker? Breaker, wish I had a moon raker. Anybody give me a radio check, breaker?
BT around the yard. Hello. BT around the yard, got down. Hello, audio, radio, check, check. Hello, audio, radio.
How about a BT? You got a copy on a screwdriver down here for a Lauderdale breaker.
Yeah, man, I'm sitting out here on a barefoot radio trying to get this cotton picking audio figured out. But yeah, man, I ain't running nothing but a barefoot 29.
Sounds like you got it figured out. Where you at?
I'm out here around Arkansas, man. Here, let me kick a little juice on there. I'll make it. I'll get up in your ear hole. Hang on a minute.
Hell, you already have been there about 7, 8.
I ought to slap you over in the corner right then. Ain't no doubt about it. Old BT out here around the yard getting down when Mother Nature lets us.
Damn. That's what I gotta say. Damn. Ain't a lot of stations can bring that needle to 40.
Yeah, man, ain't no doubt about it. Well, what's this audio sound like out there, man? I've been out here screwing with it. I've had it about 3 days, and I can't find where I want to run it at.
I like it. Sounds good.
Yeah, 10-4. I ain't got too much reverb in it or nothing.
No, sir. Sounds good. No background noise. Just all you.
Well, man, I sure appreciate it. Who am I talking to again? I'm sorry.
Talking to Screwdriver down here in South Florida, Ryder.
Yeah, Roger. All right, man. Well, I appreciate you bumming it down and helping me out. Yeah, I've been out here jacking around with this audio, trying to get something lined out where there's just so much to choose from. You know, it's kind of hard to figure out where you want to run it.
I'll have you on the Watergate on the YouTube there. You'll be able to hear it there in about an hour.
Yeah, 10-4. What's your YouTube channel?
Bell CB. BELLSCB.
Yeah, Bell CB. It ain't the Bell CB, is it?
Yes, sir. 10-4.
Oh, cool, man. I just bought my Mako 4 from y'all, and I do business with y'all.
10-4. We appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, man, ain't no doubt about it. Well, you stroking out here, man, sounding real cotton picking good. You got your audio set up real nice, too, man. Ain't no doubt about it. You're clean. Got a little bass in there sounding real cool. No doubt about it.
10-4, man. Appreciate it. I'm going to go back out of there now. Been good talking to you. Just watch that YouTube channel. You'll be on there by the end of the day. And we'll see you. Bye.
Bye.